I haven't really done any videos of small components, but I want to make this video because I think these things are beautiful, man. These are some Toolmaker battery terminals. These things are gorgeous. I was looking for some battery terminals that had 10 points for me to connect all my power into. And I called XS to ask them something, and you know, they told me to try Toolmaker. And yeah, I went on their site, and yeah, these parts are gorgeous. I mean, I've seen other people talk about them online, but you know, usually I get most of my stuff from Sky High. But yeah, Sky High didn't have one of these that looked anything like this. This part is beautiful, so I just want to make a quick video. Got a set of two. Wrap them in bubble wrap so they're nice and protected. These things are like artwork, man. They're beautiful. Yeah, so I just want to make a quick video to show what they look like. I don't know if anybody's ever made a video of them, but yeah, the craftsmanship that went into these are very good. Yeah, I would definitely buy anything of the sort from Toolmaker. Definitely beautiful.